I'm Paul Perkins with a check of your ag weather. After temperatures top out in the mid-70s to the low 80s this afternoon, the sixth straight day of highs that are over 10 degrees warmer than normal. A cold front drops south tonight. Sprinkles or light rain are a possibility in north central and northeastern Nebraska. Behind the cold front, our highs tomorrow are in the mid to upper 60s. A warm front boosting those highs back into the 70s on Thursday. Highs drop to more seasonal levels in the 60s for Friday and Saturday with another cold front. Northern and western areas of Nebraska could see lows near freezing on Saturday morning. Highs rebound mostly into the 70s for Sunday and Monday, even some low 80s over northern Kansas on Monday. The latest long-term forecast continues the trend of warmer than normal temperatures Sunday through the first 4 days of November in Nebraska, Kansas, and the central and eastern U.S. Above normal rainfall is indicated for Nebraska and Kansas Sunday through November 4th, especially late next week through November 4th. Seasonal highs in the 50s and lows near freezing could start to be the trend next month. Key weather factors the markets are watching include a little rain in the U.S. and delayed soybean planting in South America due to dry conditions. Across the plains, cooler areas arriving across Montana and the Dakotas. Dry weather and record-setting highs, including some above 90, are further reducing moisture for emergence and establishment of winter wheat. Wheat emergence is behind the 5-year average in all the plains states except for Montana. Topsoil moisture ranges from 56% very short to short in North Dakota to 86% in Nebraska. The next 5 days, rainfall remains scarce, especially across the southern half of the U.S. Mostly warmer than normal temperatures accompanies the dry weather. Any outbreaks of cool temperatures are expected to be minor and short-lived. Something to watch. A storm is likely to form on the plains early next week. It could mean heavier rain from the nation's midsection, but uncertainty remains. Mostly warmer than normal temperatures continue through most of next week. Colder air in the western U.S. could sneak into the plains by later next week. Central Brazil's soybean planting continues to be delayed, despite the late arriving wet season rains benefiting establishment. To be on schedule, soybean planting in central Brazil needs to be completed in the next 10 days. Argentina's drought is reduced for filling wheat and corn establishment. After widespread rainfall tomorrow in Argentina, it turns drier for a week or longer, which could cause issues for soybean planting next month. In the eastern Black Sea region, dryness is looming large as the window for winter wheat establishment is now closed, with frost and freezes becoming more likely. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.